Occasionally, do you eavesdrop upon others' conversation? Do you need to experience so to live well? Otherwise, you are ready to do anything according to how you think necessarily matters. There are so many theories and ideas regarding the ways to live well. What is your way to live well as a human being? Do you need to eavesdrop upon others' conversation to have some hints to be a reasonable person? Or you have self-consciousness of possession of your consideration? I tell you have to be considerate all the time in experiencing any of the things. Considerateness is indispensable for you to live well. Stereotypical people do not understand this matter. Mostly, people value how much knowledge they have in their brains. Is that so? It is not. The matter of good consequence is how you think of happiness of other people. Silently I'd like you to carry out necessary things to diffuse a sense of happiness to others. You don't have to explain anything beforehand. What you need shall be. You just take action to diffuse a sense of happiness to others silently. A lot of philosophers say the same thing. Thinking deeply is necessary. Yes, I think so. I'd like you to think so many matters deeply. Then one thing, I'd like you to think of one thing which you should not forget. You have to be considerate all the time. I'd like you to do your best to be more beautiful in order to be kind to others. If you do not forget about this matter, you can keep the quality of kindness. Furthermore, you upgrade the quality of kindness now and in the future too. Thinking deeply all the time. Surely for you to diffuse a sense of happiness to others shall be the foundation of humanity. I'd like you to be breathing splendiferously all the time.